whistles and whistles and whistles, toot-toot. The pan full of greens says, so what to do? Stop that infernal annoying screen to spin. Can't you be quiet? I'm begging you please. You sound like a train steaming through the trees. The fancy roast pan with its meat and its stew says, good gracious me, what's become of you? I can't even simmer in peace anymore. This kitchen's a mess, what a terrible chore.